Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the FormFlex Metabolic Boost Drops. So as you can see, we have it here on Malware Tips, and basically, they are a scam. We're just going to say it right off the bat. And this is what it looks like. So, in recent weeks, a new wave of aggressive marketing campaigns has emerged across social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. At the center of this flurry is FormFlex Metabolic Boost Drops, a so-called natural supplement that promises remarkable health benefits. But a closer look at the advertisements and the product itself reveals a troubling pattern of misleading tactics and unsupported claims. So as you can see right here, fake news articles and spam email campaigns. So what they claim is that they're all natural, GMO-free, made in the USA, manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, and certified by GMP, which is short for Good Manufacturing Practices. So as you can see, they actually go over why the scam works and this guy's psychology of desperation. So as you can see, how to protect yourself from scam supplements. So you should always research thoroughly, guys. So you should look for independent reviews from trusted sources. So you should also check the FDA database, scrutinize testimonials, and avoid impulse purchases, and consult a healthcare professional, which is the most important part. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.